The question that public authorities should ask themselves is, do we have a data strategy in place, yes or no? Typically, they would say that yes, we have some assumptions as to how do we use data and why do we need data for, and which policies require data in order to be better, informed and sustained by data.
The big solutions we need in mobility, like a really structured and good working mobility as a service platform.
Concerning the public data, I think it has to be open, so something that's not personal on population level, and we also need to speak the same language in terms of ontologies.
You have operators of shared mobility services, because these are B2C companies. They're not B2G companies. They do care primarily about their end users, about the customers. They have this data obsession in their DNA because they've been raised with this, and they operate the service with this. I mean, they're really data driven. And it's very different with maybe legacy public transport companies.
My personal experience with our clients with whom we work from the public sector, that they do care a lot about data. However, what does happen, and is kind of hindering innovation that is driven by data, is that there are many other concerns around data that quite often are not that technical, but are rather more on the legal side, are more on the ethical side.
For the data to be efficiently used, there should be people with enough skills to work with spatial and temporal data.
The key in this case is to try to convince all the stakeholders that by sharing part of their data, they can get much more in return.